Dolphins are the favorite animal of many and spread happiness to everyone who sees them. Many people go to specific aquariums just to have the opportunity to interact with dolphins. However, there are a number of people who are opposed to having dolphins in captivity. These people think that keeping dolphins in captivity is cruel and that all captive dolphins should be released into the wild. However, there are no consequences that come from keeping dolphins in captivity. Many positive things come from having dolphins in aquariums. Because dolphins in captivity live long and happy lives, they should be kept in captivity for the public awareness and research opportunities they provide. Keeping dolphins in captivity can be easily justified because dolphins that are raised in captivity live long and happy lives. Dolphins adapt very well to being in a captive environment. They are very playful and curious, so they enjoy interacting with humans just as much as other dolphins. Captive dolphins form strong bonds with the people who care for them and train them. Dolphins, unlike whales, are small enough that aquariums are able to provide an adequate amount of space for them. On average, dolphins in captivity live longer than those in the wild. Being in captivity does not damage a dolphin's health or happiness. While in captivity, dolphins provide many opportunities for research. These research opportunities would not be available if they were only in the wild. We have learned most of what we know about the dolphin's senses, echolocation, diving, thermoregulation, birthing, and social interaction by studying captive dolphins. Things that we learn from captive dolphins help us protect dolphins in the wild. In the past few years, the survival rate of stranded dolphins in the wild has gone from 10 to 40%. Dolphins in captivity provide us with research opportunities that help us learn more about the species and help wild dolphins. Dolphins in captivity also provide many opportunities for public awareness. The more people know about dolphins, the more we can protect them and other marine animals. As the world gets more and more populated and cities continue to grow, people have less of a chance to interact with animals. In order for people to respect animals and want to protect them, they have to have contact with animals and learn about them. Captive dolphins give many people this opportunity. If a group is raising money to protect the ocean, who is more likely to donate? A person who has little to no contact with marine animals, or a person who has been to SeaWorld or another large aquarium and has been able to interact with dolphins and see what amazing creatures they are? Who is more likely to participate in a beach cleanup? A person who knows little about the ocean or a person who has been educated about it and the animals that live there? Obviously, a person who knows about marine animals and has had the opportunity to see how incredible they are is much more likely to want to protect the world's oceans. And what creature is more beautiful than the dolphin? Seeing a dolphin up close teaches people to respect animals and the ocean. If there were no dolphins in captivity, people would have to go out into the ocean to see them. Not only would this give far less people the opportunity to see a dolphin, it would also mean that the number of boats full of tourists going out into the ocean would skyrocket. Having many tourists going out into the ocean would be a very bad thing. Dolphins and other animals would be disturbed in their natural environment, and trash would be dropped into the ocean. Having many boats full of people going out into the ocean to see dolphins would negatively impact the environment. Dolphins in captivity protect dolphins in the wild. Having dolphins in captivity is a positive thing because it benefits both humans and dolphins. Dolphins in captivity are just as happy and even more healthy than dolphins in the wild. Captive dolphins also provide people with the opportunity to study them, and they protect wild dolphins. But most of all, they allow people to see what amazing creatures they are and develop a lifelong respect for the ocean.